Yesterday I subscribed to ChatGPT Plus. So today I'm making this quick video to show you what are the main differences between the free and the Plus version. And as you can see first, here we get a different home page. We don't have those examples anymore of prompts, and we get this drop down which allows us to choose between the default model and the legacy. I haven't tried this, what are the differences between these two models, but we will keep this working on the default model. And there are three main differences between the Plus and the free version. First, you will always get access with the paid version. So we have all gotten those annoying notices where it says ChatGPT is at capacity right now, come back later. So if you are using it a lot, definitely worth paying those $20 because you will always get access even on peak times. Second, the Plus version is supposed to be faster than the free version. Third, you will get access priority to some new features and enhancements on the platform. So what I'm going to do now is open an incognito tab to access with a free account. And as you can see here, right now we are getting the ChatGPT is at capacity right now notice. So I won't be able to continue with this video. So I'm going to refresh this. Okay, well, it's not working. So I'm going to wait to be able to log in with a free account, and I continue from there. So finally I'm able to log in to the free account. So give me a second here. Just going to log there. Just 1 second. And I'm in. So as you can see, now in this free version, we have these examples on how to use ChatGPT of examples of prompts. And here we have this upgrade to Plus button, which of course we don't have in the paid version. So, okay, what I'm going to do to show you some of the differences between these two is I'm going to keep open each version side by side, and I think I already said it, but there are three main differences between the paid and free version. So in the paid version, one of the biggest differences is that you will always get access to the platform, even on peak times. So I think that's great if you are using it a lot. Second difference is that it should work much faster than the free version. And the third difference is that you will get priority access to new features and enhancements on the platform. So to show you how fast it is, I have three different prompts here, which I'm going to copy and paste on each of these versions. So let's start with the free version, and I'm going to do it at the same time here. Sorry about that. So as you can see, the free version started first, and I have asked for a 500 words article about type 2 diabetes. So let's see which of these versions get it done faster. And from what I'm reading, it's kind of exactly the same article. I can tell there are a few differences, but it's pretty similar. Of course, I'm not gonna go into deep of the details of the article, but let's see which finishes first. So to me, they look kind of the same. I have to tell that this day I have been trying the paid version, and I have seen faster results than what I'm seeing right now. But anyways, I guess sometimes you can get a faster experience, and sometimes you get the same speed that the free version. And it's not that the free version is so slow, so even this is one of the differences. I don't think it's like such a big difference. Let's try with a different prompt. In this case, I'm going to ask for 10 email subjects ideas. So let's create a new chat on each of these windows. Okay. Again, I'm going to start first with the free version. So let's go and let's go. So let's see which finishes first. So in this case, you can definitely tell that the paid version is writing much faster than the free one. Okay, so yeah, that was faster, but again, it's not that the free version is so super slow or anything like that. And let's try a third example. Again, let's start with the free version. Okay, so let's see which one finishes first. From what I can tell, probably the paid version will finish first, of course. So, well, that's it, pretty much. What is ChatGPT Plus? Currently, I can't tell that there are much differences between each of these versions. So, to me, I'm going to keep paying at least for a few months to try it, to see if there are new features and enhancements to the platform that make it worth paying those $20. But currently the only difference that makes it worth is that you will always get access. And at least these days I have been using it a lot for work purpose and also for personal experiments. But I'm not sure if today I can tell that it's worth $20 a month, because the free version, it's a pretty good version. So that's it. So I hope you like this video, and if you don't mind asking, please to subscribe. I would love if you like the video, and leaving me your comments. If you have tried already the paid version, please let me know how has been your experience so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.